Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by cooling the used oil to a safe, workable temperature, about 40–60 degrees C, because lower viscosity helps particles settle. Once cooled, pour through a coarse strainer into a clean, heat-proof container to remove large breadcrumbs. Make sure to follow with a double-layered cheesecloth or thick coffee filter. This captures fines without clogging quickly. You're doing the first separation step. Remove the bulk debris so the next, finer filtration, will be effective and faster. Once large solids are gone, gently reheat the oil to about 50–60 degrees C so it flows through filters more easily. Don't exceed smoke point. Then pass the oil slowly through layered paper coffee filters or 0.5 mm filtering pads. Change filters when flow slows. If the oil has color or off odors from brown crumbs, make a single pass through an activated charcoal pouch. This absorbs odor molecules and lightens color. Make sure to work slowly. Rapid pouring reintroduces fines and bubbles. Complete the job by letting filtered oil cool, then decant into clean, airtight containers and label with date and source. Store out of light at under 25 degrees C. Before reusing, test a 1 teaspoon sample at frying temperature. If it smokes, foams heavily, or smells odd, don't risk food quality discard. Troubleshooting tip. If foam or rancid odor persists after filtering, it signals thermal breakdown or heavy absorption from crumbs. The oil is compromised and should be disposed of according to local waste rules.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.